Nothing could have prepared the Cambridgeshire officers for what they experienced. P.C. Williams and P.C. Beasley Centre backdate the 9th of October 2017 by Sophie Garrard. Police Oracle. 2 officers have returned from the British Virgin Islands following the catastrophic damage caused by Hurricane Irma, feeling humbled by their 3-week experience. In August, the world watched as Hurricane Irma took hold of the Caribbean and do you have an interesting news story? Contact the news desk on 0203-119-3303 or alternatively get in touch via the contact form.